Hello everyone, welcome back to Creo Parametric. I am Rakesh VALASA. In this video lecture, I am going to explain how to develop this part modeling in Creo Parametric software in easiest way. First close this file, then open new part modeling window. Just click on new. Okay, in this window you need to choose part, then give the file name here and remove this checkbox, then click on OK. The given part modeling having all dimensions are in millimeters, that's why I am choosing MMNS part solid, then click on OK. Okay, once carefully observe the given part modeling. In this front view it is appear like steps. Here these vertical edges are equal to 16 mm and horizontal edges are equal 24 mm. First I am choosing front, then select extrude option and select sketch view. Now you need to construct this shape by using line chain tool option. With the help of mouse left button you can choose this option. Okay, draw this shape here. You can start from here, draw one horizontal line, then draw the vertical line, then draw the horizontal line. Okay, after this then draw the vertical line up to it's showing the equal symbol. You can see it. That means initial vertical line equal to this second vertical line. Then draw the horizontal line up to it's showing the equal symbol. That means this horizontal line length equal to previous horizontal line. Similarly, draw the vertical line up to it's showing the equal symbol. That means this vertical line equal to initial vertical line. Then draw the horizontal line. Now close this loop. Now exit from this tool, just click mouse middle button. Now when you click on this mouse middle button, it's showing the weak dimensions. Now you need to edit those dimensions. This thickness is 16 mm. Double click on this dimension. You can type here 16, enter. You can see it. That means all these three vertical lines equal to 16 mm because in the initially we are applied constraint, that's why when you change one dimension automatically these three dimensions are changed. Then give the dimension to this width is 24 mm. When you give this dimension automatically second length is also changed. Now finally you need to give this total length, that is equal to 72 mm. Double click on this dimension 72, enter. Okay, this is the way to construct 2D sketches in with the help of constraints very easily. After this click on this OK, then apply the then give the length that equal to 104. You can type here 104, enter. Then click on OK. Okay, after this you need to add the this material to the other side, so that's why I'm selecting the other side face. Then click on extrude option and choose sketch view. Okay, for constructing this shape first you need to draw the construction lines, that means reference lines to each and every edge. This edge and this vertical edge, this vertical edge, horizontal edge, vertical edge, horizontal edge. Then close this window. With the help of line chain you need to draw that shape. That shape is attached to this previous model. So you can start from here, draw the horizontal line, then vertical line, horizontal line, then vertical line, and then draw the horizontal line and close this loop. Then click mouse middle button to exit from the tool. Now click on OK. This you can add this material towards inside. So to change the direction, this thickness is 24 mm. You can type here 24, enter. Then click on OK. Now you can see the orientation. Go to the view, standard orientation. Yes, this is the way to construct any type of part modeling in easiest way in Creo Parametric software. You can apply the colors with the help of this option. For example, I want to apply the blue color to this shape. Okay, select this color and also select this one and this one, and select this blue color. This is the way to you can add different colors for different selected faces. Okay, I hope you enjoyed a lot in this session. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.